Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up wave payments from your for your business. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just get into it. Setting up wave payment is crucial if you want to accept online payments through credit cards or bank transfer. And here's how to set it up. First, you got to do is to log into your Wave account, and then once you're logged in, go to the Sales tab. Now there, just select Settings and then click on Payments. Now you're going to be prompted to provide your business details, including your bank account information and any necessary identification. Next, just follow these steps to connect your bank account or payment processor and agree to the terms of service. Once set up, you're going to be able to accept payment via credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfer directly from your invoices. Wave Payments is a secure and efficient way to collect payments online without relying on third-party platforms. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll catch you in the next one.